Hi, everyone, and welcome to Ariel and Ned's Daily Tips that may or may not help you. Today is Thursday, December 28th, and I am Ariel Nissenblatt.
And I am Ned Donovan.
Ned Donovan, you've got a laundry tip for us today.
Today we're talking laundry, and if you're like me, you've got a lot of laundry backed up over the holidays because you don't want to do things while you have time off work. Here is my big tip. I hate separating laundry once I get to my laundry room. I do not have laundry in my apartment. I'm lucky enough to have it in my building, but when I went to the laundromat or when I do it in my building, I constantly get mad at having to figure out what's going in which laundry machine, especially when I have a huge load. Well, here's how I solve that problem. I have two laundry baskets. I have the laundry basket for one type of clothing and one laundry basket for the other type of clothing. What's going in on medium versus what's going in on delicate. I do that so that I don't have to figure it out later. When I get to the laundry room, I'm already prepped and ready to go. This is my big tip. It will make your brain so much happier when you go to do laundry and it's pre-sorted for you. However you sort your laundry, have two laundry baskets.
Let us know what you think about that, Tippendales. I think we've already named them Tippendales.
Tippendales is really good.
It is.
You're now the Tippendales. Sorry.
You know what's going to be interesting to me, Ned, over time is which of our listeners, which of our fans gravitate...
Which of our
Tippendales. Who gravitates more towards your tips and who gravitates more towards mine? And I wonder, we do choose the tips and we say, Ariel, this is a you tip, Ned, this is a you tip. And I wonder if people are going to start being like, Ariel's tips are shit.
Or they're going to be like, I think that tip from Ariel should have come from Ned. Or vice versa.
Yeah, so let us know if you're noticing some patterns here, Tippendales.
And vote. Who do you like better, Mom or Dad?
Who's coming home with me? Bye.